Goguryeo King Sosurim. Goguryeo King Sosurim reigned 1384 AD, was the 17th ruler of Goguryeo, and his reign is considered a critical period for the kingdom's revitalization. Sosurim is recognized for stabilizing Goguryeo's internal affairs and strengthening the state's institutions, leaving behind significant accomplishments. Sosurim was the son of King Gogryeo, the 16th ruler of Goguryeo, who was killed by King Goguryeo of Baekje. When Sosurim ascended the throne after his father's death, Goguryeo had been weakened by Baekje's invasions and faced internal instability. After losing to Baekje, Sosurim focused on restructuring the state and reinforcing central authority. Sosurim's major achievements brought about significant political, religious, and social transformations in Goguryeo. Let's look at each accomplishment in more detail. 1. Acceptance of Buddhism 372 AD. Sosurim was the first king to introduce Buddhism to Goguryeo, and the religion subsequently had a profound influence on Goguryeo society. In the late 4th century, many Chinese dynasties were actively embracing Buddhism, and the former Qin state was especially promoting the spread of the religion. Through diplomatic ties with the former Qin, Sosurim adopted Buddhism into Goguryeo. Buddhism sanctified the king's authority, giving him a divine mandate to rule based on Buddhist teachings. It also played a crucial role in strengthening internal unity as a state ideology. Goguryeo sought to achieve spiritual and cultural cohesion through Buddhism, which later influenced the kingdom's philosophy, art, and architecture. Buddhism gained widespread support among Goguryeo's nobility, and its teachings and philosophy became an integral part of the kingdom's ruling ideology. The monarchy constructed Buddhist temples and enacted policies to protect Buddhist monks, thus intertwining the religion with state affairs to solidify the king's power. 2. Establishment of Taehak 372 AD. The Taehak, a central educational institution, was founded to foster education and talent development in Goguryeo. Purpose: the Taehak was a central educational institution aimed at educating the children of the nobility in Confucian classics and other subjects. This initiative was a significant effort to reinforce the political system of Goguryeo and establish a foundation for developing capable leaders. Spread of Confucianism, which emphasizes order, morality, and loyalty, was particularly suited to Goguryeo's goal of strengthening central authority. Through Confucian education, the ruling class of Goguryeo acquired the knowledge necessary to effectively govern the kingdom. Long-term impact: the Taehak produced educated individuals who played significant roles in various fields such as politics, diplomacy, and the military. The knowledge gained at the Taehak contributed to Goguryeo's political and social development in the years that followed. 3. Promulgation of the Legal Code 373 AD. Sosurim was the first king in Goguryeo's history to establish and promulgate a formal legal code, strengthening centralized rule. The introduction of a legal code was a crucial step toward reinforcing Goguryeo's centralized rule. Sosurim introduced laws and regulations to govern the kingdom uniformly, enabling more structured and cohesive control over society. Establishment of rule of law. The legal code provided a foundation for the rule of law, enhancing the king's authority and bringing local powers under central control. This legal framework was essential for maintaining stability and order throughout the kingdom. Administrative system reform. The promulgation of the legal code also played a significant role in reorganizing Goguryeo's administrative and military systems. 4. Diplomacy and military strengthening. Sosurim implemented various diplomatic policies to strengthen Goguryeo's position on the international stage, strengthening ties with the former Qin. Sosurim fostered diplomatic relations with the former Qin to maintain good relations with major powers in China. Relations with Baekje. Sosurim initially sought to maintain diplomatic equilibrium with Baekje while focusing on recovering national strength and bolstering military power. Evaluation of Sosurim's achievements. Sosurim is regarded as a great king, who consolidated Goguryeo central government and introduced Buddhism, which brought about spiritual unity and social stability. He systematized governance through the rule of law, ensuring the effective management of the kingdom.